Hi everyone, welcome back to a new YouTube video, and today's YouTube video is going to be these Valentine's slimes. So what you're going to be needing to make these Valentine's slimes is something to mix in. Something to mix with some glue, food dye, some lotion, I'm just using this Vaseline, some scent. I'm just going to get the Signature Vanilla Body Lotion as a scent, some bubble bath, and some slime activator. I'm using borax and water. So next thing, after you've added in your glue, you're going to want to add in your lotion. And now you're going to want to mix. Your glue together. Next thing is you're going to want to add your scent. I'm using the Cherry Signature and some supports. Next, you're going to want to add in your bubble bath or your shampoo or whatever you want. So you can use hand soap, anything. Really? To the party, and everyone who knows us knows. Okay, so after you've added in your soap, shampoo, whatever you've added in, you're going to want to mix. You're going to want to add in your food coloring. You can add in as much as you want. I'm just adding in about what I added into the last one. Just about as much as I added into that one. Okay, I added in way more, but that is a-okay because I got a red. That's what I wanted. So now you're going to want to add in your slime activator. As I said in the beginning, I'm using borax and water. It's not focusing. Sorry if it's not focusing, guys. Add in some more. No exact measurements because you guys probably don't have as much glue, or maybe you guys have more glue, so you guys can make it whatever you want. It's still a bit sticky, so just a bit more. Don't add too much because too much will just give you really more consistency. So let's keep mixing. I think this is a good consistency of my liking. Get this to the consistency of your liking. I don't like sticky slime. Personally, I don't like sticky slime, so I think that's a good consistency for me. I don't like sticky slime. So now I'm going to get my slime out, and I'm going to play with it. So let's dump this slime out, and let's start playing with it. And play with it until you get the right consistency to where it's not sticking or it's not letting go any food dye or anything like that. This slime might not make as good poking noises. If you want really good poking noises, go ahead, guys, and add in some... If you want good poking noises, add in some shaving cream. Don't go overboard with the shaving cream. Add in 1 tablespoon of shaving cream per pump of glue. Like this much slime would need barely any shaving cream. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and yeah. So here's my attempt to make a heart, but happy Valentine's Day, guys. I love you guys so much, and